Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing. Alright guys, second stop you know. Basically they are my sister place. They in our country, over there now.
Westmoreland Waterworks.
Waterworks. Alright, if you don't know how spot that in the comment below. Alright, so what kind of bird them?
Like a Bible dog.
Bible dove? But tell me if you know him bird them. You know over there, so.
Like a ton chicken.
Some chicken.
Yeah, you know what kind of? We ain't calling chicken, you know what I'm about?
This is the one them where lay.
White chicken then.
That's the white chicken, yeah.
Yeah, they don't want to kill themselves.
Mm.
They don't want to eat.
Them there? You ready to eat them? KFC was so no?
KFC is getting bad.
I still look a baby one of them.
There's a big one.
And them up there, so.
Oh, yeah.
So first we get to them.
What they do them now, you see them now? Like when they now come out, they now finish now, then they are young one now. So when they,
I know what I need to get big like one of them over there, so.
but I got two sets, you know.
Two sets?
First, there's one that set over this look like. But they look smaller than the one over. You know.
One in the go catch one now, show them his skill. I'll go well and find one of them.
We're not gonna go run down now.
Come here. Come here. Here we go. Come here, man. Come here. Bring some of my biscuit.
You get cookie. Who give a cookie?
My own man.
Take your bite. Yeah, eat.
Oh, bring some of my biscuit. Thank you. Come here. What's your name? Tell me your name.
Oh, hell no!
Titi. Nothing at all. You know long to see me. What you bring for me? Talk to me now, man. You just said you're smart. What the rule of the game, people? Lose I give up the control, right?
I get the control.
Alright. So what you say now? Who win that one now?
Me.
Who win that one now?
Me.
You win that one now?
Yeah.
What you say?
Me win.
You say you win? Alright, you say I walk win now. What you say? Who you say I win?
Me do think of Marcus.
Who you say I
You
win?
say Marcus.
Alright, Marcus say I win. I will say what I go on now. Right. Who that?
Me.
You win?
Hello everyone, what go on here? See, I know I not do this in a while, but anyways, this is just a little voiceover for what was going on in this video. A little explanation of what happened was after me done record the video. Basically, never have no audio, so that's why I talk so much right now. So basically, you know, my father over there, so you know, him feel like he was a rider or a stuntman that day, you know, him sit down on the bike and pose. Y'all know he love show off himself already now, so he go on. But yeah, man, this is my beautiful, wonderful sister right here, you know. Haven't seen her in forever, and this is her son right here. But I don't know when did I look for any box, you know, I must look for money for your buy back juice or something, but world never know. But yeah, man, that's my niece right there. She don't really talk a lot, you know, but that's her, and this is my little brother. Yeah, I see him already. I guess you're in our family, not talk much either. But yes, this moment right here, guys, was just a wonderful moment. Father and daughter to see each other in forever. Look, man, get jealous, you know, like off of my mother or something. But yes, bike show time. When I enjoy. Speeding up the gate, liquor man holding on for dear life, and look, look at that skit, guys, beautiful. And here TT showing off her skills as well. Wonderful, guys, wonderful. Yes, guys, the kids are very talented, guys. Yeah, man, you see all them things they could have do them younger, you know, but they can't try that right, you know. When they broke something, I can't fix back, you know, but yeah, man, guys. Yes, guys. As you can see, it was a fun little bike show, but it's time to say goodbye, you know. It's my father telling my sister goodbye, you know. You know, when we are going to see each other, you know, I had to have the last hug and all of that, you know. Yeah, man. Father tell the grandkids goodbye. And we was on the move again. Hike we go pan. We go pan the hike.
Stupid dog! You made me look bad!
Yeah, man. YouTube.
Yeah,
He's my brother.
Bigger brother.
The older brother, you know?
Older brother.
Yeah, me for life.
What one we
What
can
the
see
boy
in
look like?
here?
What you look like, say, man? Young Gami.
Eh.
Right.
Young, not young,
Say something to your uncle, man.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Nice to reunion, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not seeing each other now how long now.
I've been a couple of years now, I'm not saying, man, you know, because maybe about 6-7 years now, you know? About that.
About that.
We've been looking for my mother pass, now, they come and from that.
Yeah.
You know, me never come again, you know? So,
Yeah, man.
talk to your uncle, man. Give me, say.
Then I put in the camera.
How you mean?
Come on, respect.
I'll
I'll come here.
I'll be a you know. I see the man in the same way.
Because I'm right now.
Go on.
Go on. Yes, brother.
Yeah, man.
The prank man,
Yeah,
man, you get pranked too, you know. I've seen Padu a couple times. Couldn't get me so much time. One time you can't get me second. You can't better win. Alright, man, you know, see yourself. Get pranked. You can't do it.
You not get prank crying now.
Well, if you know, if I probably know me, I'll do.
What do you mean someone prank us asking? That we can't understand.
You know, some prank, you know, see him get pranked.
Yeah, but that's you can't just. You know how you could do it. You can't get me first time. As a matter of fact, I know that yard. I know that yard. You think you do me that trust you again? You do me I watch you. No, you can't get me out never.
Alright, you know why you know so you're not a prank.
Yeah, that's possible.
Alright, wait. You know something like I do something like I don't know. And you want to tell me to, you're not passing no. You're not passing no.
When that person a prank a person, catch me one time and know that you do. It no matter what you do, unless you say, you don't know what to tell us. You can watch everything, you don't trust nothing again.
Not passing no, right? Alright, sir. You're not passing no.
Right up to island over there,
What's up?
man, it's on island. Right, this one. Either is in from street, beach. Where's that beach?
Yeah.
And you have it. straight to Western Cliff. And I agree to sing that probably.
Yeah, man.
You can see people in where they're still alive and healthy. Right at the end where the bird come from,
Yeah,
in that direction. And there is a sunset place. There is a place with sunset too.
yeah. People can live up there today.
Yeah, man. The Burnham Man house.
Oh. They look like a castle. I get me there in place and I come up there every evening.
Might be this picture there.
You can see that.
Makes sense, no? But it makes sense.
Breadfruit. See that people, breadfruit. So hello everybody. Wow, go on here. I don't want to forget for the intro there from the beginning, but anyways, you know, just a continue from yesterday. We basically still there in the grill. You know, we spend our night at this guest house, which I don't really know what name, but yes, over there, and we're about to leave in a little bit. So I thought, why not give you all a little tour of the guest house, or stay where we spend the night in the grill. So walk with me and come see what I'm going, you know. Morning. Alright. So we all go again. Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Nine of the mood people not talking, you know. So yeah guys, basically, you know what's up there right here. I'm about to come out here in a little bit, but as I say, I'm going to have to spin out place. Kitchen over here. Bathroom here. This is the master bedroom. I got a little closet over there. And basically that's it, guys. It was just a little quick tour from I can see where we spend the night in the grill, and you know, that's it, guys. So basically for the rest of the day, I'm not really too sure what happened, but the only thing I'm sure of is that, you know, I gotta see my uncle one more time, you know, say goodbyes and all of that, heal him up, and then we head to Westmoreland, you know.
Yeah, man, respect.
See you again.
Yeah, man, respect.
I want to take a picture together though. I'm doing now one picture.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright, now we're putting it on YouTube later.
Alright, thanks, sir.
I asked you, Johnny, when you go up in.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, it's the bad road here. Wait till they come out there or something. basically I hit that.
Awesome. These are the roughest drive me make in the years. And a matter of fact, I've never make one like this before. Yeah, this is it. I've gone down the gully, you know.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit the